Probably the greatest limiting force in life that holds us back from reaching our full potential, from embracing our most authentic self, is insecurity. And when trying to fix or heal insecurity, we usually get it wrong. This is something that I've struggled with, and I specifically took the time to attack my insecurities and heal them. And I'll share with you a story to show just how far I've come. About a month ago, I was at a friend's sporting event, and after the game was over, I was walking down the bleachers, got to the last step to step down to the floor, and tripped over it. Literally fell on the floor. I lost my balance and I fell literally face down onto the gym floor. I had like a split second of insecurity, and then I decided to embrace it while other people were watching me, probably laughing at me. I just laid there and I embraced the feeling of being uncomfortable. Instead of trying to get up right away and looking around to see if people were watching me, I decided to just lay there and embrace feeling vulnerable. And then I got up, laughed at myself, and everyone forgot about it 5 minutes later. No one was going home saying, "Oh, he's so dumb. He fell down the bleachers." No one really cares. Another one is I have a unique laugh, especially if I really start getting at it. It gets a little chuckly, like, dude, this fly, get the out. Gets pretty chuckly, like, and I coach a team of 16-year-old girls, and sometimes they make fun of me for it. Old me would hear them and then try to change my laugh to fit in so I wouldn't be made fun of, so I wouldn't be judged, because I hated being judged when I was younger. But instead, now when they make fun of my laugh, I do it more and I do it louder. I'm working on loving myself, starting to love my quirks and my uniqueness, because it makes me stand out. It makes me different. I don't need to fit in anymore, because when I try to do that, I'm not authentically me. And when I'm not authentically me, people can sense it. We like honesty. We're attracted to authenticity and people that are willing to be vulnerable, because it's so rare today. I learned that you don't get rid of insecurity by searching for security, by protecting yourself, by avoiding situations where you could be vulnerable. You become secure in yourself by embracing and accepting being vulnerable. And shout out to the late philosopher Alan Watts, because I believe he was the one to make this argument. I don't really think I'm speaking crazy revolutionary ideas on this channel. A lot of them are reminders that we need to hear, and I'm speaking from my experience and how I've dealt with and healed a lot of these struggles. And I think people can benefit from my thinking process and how I've healed a lot of these struggles, and most of the time let go of a lot of them, because that sometimes needs to happen. Letting go of those outdated ways of thinking and letting your full self shine through, getting out of your own way. We've held on to these patterns because it's all we've known for years, but we can let go of that programming and update it. I did a few videos on how to rewire yourself, and I'll plug one of them here. Embrace the unknown. The greatest form of security comes not when we play it safe, but when we are willing to step into the unknown. We're willing to accept failure, because we know that failure is the only way that we'll improve. Insecurity comes from seeking security. By embracing insecurity, we are forced to gain confidence in our ability to adapt to and overcome anything that life throws at us. We are at peace with ourselves and secure in our ability to conquer the ups and downs of life. Then anxiety about future scenarios decreases, because we are confident that we can handle anything. Fear of failure and fear of the unknown keep us trapped, keep us from truly unlocking our potential. This is your reminder that people are not paying attention to your failures. They might at first, but they'll forget about it literally 5 minutes later. So don't let what other people think hold you back. Go take the risk, build the body, talk to a new person, speak your truth, start the business, apply to a job that might push you out of your comfort zone, and take a shot at your dreams. Fully commit. Now's the time.